Wait, this isn't chicken. Nope, it's actually oyster mushrooms. Today I'm making vegan KFC-style fried chicken in quotation marks using oyster mushrooms, and it's crazy crispy. Tear your oyster mushrooms into chunky pieces, wash and pat dry. We're going to add our binding mixture by adding 100 grams of oats to a blender with 150 milliliters of water. Blend until smooth. You're looking for a thick, sticky consistency, almost like glue. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step is important. The oats will absorb the water and thicken up. While that rests, prepare your coating. In a bowl, combine flour with salt, black pepper, white pepper, oregano, garlic powder, ginger powder, and paprika. Give it a good mix so all the spices are evenly distributed. Now take your mushrooms and dip them into the oat slurry, making sure they're fully coated, then straight into the seasoned flour. Press lightly so that the coating sticks well. This is what's going to give us that crispy outer layer. Fry in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. This should take just a few minutes. And that's it, perfectly crispy, flavorful fried mushrooms with a crunchy coating and a juicy inside. If you try this, let me know how it turns out, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple recipes like this.